Ready to draw something cool in 3D? Let's go.
Hold on, is that just a square?
Nope, it's about to turn into a box.
Let's add magic and make this square look like a real box.
Now it really looks like a box, doesn't it? Add a shadow, and boom. Let's turn this flat square into a 3D masterpiece. Watch closely. Draw 3 lines, all at the same slant. Without those lines, it's just flat. But let's fix that. Now, let's connect the dots. It's a 3D box. Hold your pencil like you're a pro artist, and tilt it down for a perfect stroke. Want to try holding the pencil from above? Let's see. Time to color. We're using white, gray, and black to make this box pop. Want the black to be super bold? You can do it, but remember, a soft touch makes it shine too. Press harder to make it darker, but layering gently with a flat pencil gives it a soft, pretty look. Layer it up and down, side to side, and even diagonally. Let's grab the gray and get creative. Use a gentle touch with the gray. Hold the pencil nice and light. Don't worry if it's a little messy. Layers make everything look fantastic. Oops, too much? No problem, just erase any extra. Got it. I'm ready to rock this drawing. Be careful not to rub the eraser shavings with your hand. Just tap gently to clean up. Now for the fun part, let's add a shadow to make this box look super real. The light's shining from the top left, so the top is bright, and the other side gets nice and dark. Now, shade the space between the light and shadow with gray. Remember how we layered earlier? Keep doing it gently, and watch the magic happen, just like we practiced. I'm feeling awesome. Keep practicing, step by step, and you'll get better. It's all about having fun. Now it's your turn. Let's all give this a try. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time for more fun.
Ah!